In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the exhaust gas temperature sensor on this Ford F-450 with a 6.4 liter diesel. This procedure will apply to any of the other EGT sensors that are on this pipe, they just might be in a different location. Let's get started. Let's start by unplugging the sensor. It's easier if you just pull the connector down, get this out of here, and now use a 13mm wrench. I'm using a flare nut wrench because it grabs onto an extra side as opposed to an open-ended wrench. Break it free. Now ours is new, so it comes out, but usually you have to apply some heat, work it back and forth with penetrant, and hopefully it comes out. If not, you might have to use some sort of an extractor to remove it, but here it is. Let's get the exhaust gas temperature sensor back in. I put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads only, not on the sensor itself. Start it by hand so it doesn't cross thread. Go as far down as you can by hand and snug this up. You don't have to crush it down or anything, just snug is good. And then we need to plug it back in. So take the electrical connector, make sure it clicks, and re-secure it onto the frame.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.